All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Tahoe. It is the LT 4x4 model, beautiful black with the black leather interior, third row seatings, alloy wheels, roof racks, navigation system. Super nice, only 27,000 miles on this beauty. And best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick here front bumper. Looks pretty freaking nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see any curbing? No, I do not. Your tire tread is at under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. I do see a little dinghy right here. No paint off, about an inch. This door, rear passenger door, looks okay. Rear driver's quarter has a little dent here, less than an inch. Oop, and it has another thing here, about 2 inches, and two more, or one more right next to it, less than an inch. So it's got one dent here, no paint off, about 2 inches, another one right next to it. Look at that mirror image. You can see my guy standing, watching me. You can see the Camaro. It's a beautiful polish job. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is under 430 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's door. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Does have memory seating. Boom. It is a power seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump in here. Turn it on for you guys. This come with two keys, boom, and 2 key fobs, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. It's not a push start. The one thing this truck is lacking, not being a push start. All right. Boom, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. This is what your stuff looks like here. You got your Navi system. Pow. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls down below. Dual AC controls with heated seats. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 27,905. 27,905 on that. Keeping it moving. Let's have a thing here for your roof, for your thing. It opens it up. Bow. That's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. So that does have rear AC vents. It does have a rear your rear passenger side. I'm sorry, your rear passenger's heated controls. I don't know why it took me so difficult to say that. This is your third row seating. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have an armrest with cup holders right here. Rear bumper, boom, boom, boom. Looks pretty good. Does have a tow hitch. Well, here's your what your rear trunk space looks like. Boom, pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward. Boom, as you can see. And come back up. Do have some storage here and some cargo netting. Your tow hitch stuff. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, it's got actually a powered thing here. Boom, and it closes that. Here's your rear quarter. Looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. My tire thread thing should be in here. As it is. Oh, it's under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Your front door here looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Your tire thread is under 430 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT model 4x4 with 27,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.